Good afternoon, 4th and 5th grade. This is Mr. Pardick talking to you from Kennedy School. I'm going to go over some things with teams today for your assignment. First thing you need to do is able to find your PE team. Your PE team's over here under Teams. It should have a green logo like this. And I'm going to use Mr. Chong's class. You'll click on Mr. Chong's class. Or you click on your class, but this is for Mr. Chong's class. Down here you're going to see Flipgrid. Underneath General, you're going to click on that. And you're going to get this window that pops up here at the top, or down here. You're going to click on the link. And it should open up Flipgrid for you. Okay. And you're going to get a page that looks like this. This is for Mr. Chong's class. Each class will say PE, your teacher's name, and your grade. And you're going to click on Join with Microsoft Teams. You may have to enter in your ID number, which is your ID number with the stu.bsd111.org. All right, and you connect through that. And it'll pop up your Flipgrid, and you should have one topic in there today to record yourself as you do your video. Okay, that's how to get into Flipgrid for PE, to take a video of yourself to turn it into me. For your assignments for PE, it's also going to be posted underneath posts. You'll see your assignment for today. It'll post at noon. If you don't find it there, you can look underneath assignments. And you should be able to find Mr. Pardick's PE class. I'm pretty sure it's going to say PE. I'll use Mr. Chung's class again. PE for Chung. So if I'm in Mr. Chung's class, I will click on that. And it should take you to your assignments. If not, once again, in your teams, if you're in general, you should be able to see your assignments posted in the posts. It should post there every day. If you have any questions, please contact me. So this was the video, and this was the assignment from Monday. Is up here, and then today's assignment, when it posts at noon, will be posted somewhere down below here. Okay. Once again, if you have any questions, please contact me.